Guys, how are you? This is Windows 11 UC, and now let's start from the logo screen. This is Windows 11. Everything is changed in the notification area and the volume screen, volume bar, Wi-Fi bar, and mic is also here. And these are properties pop up. All are changing now. This is startup. All to all screen now change. This is setting area, Bluetooth devices, network. Every visual screen is now change. Background, colors, themes, touch keypad, apps. Now you can run the all apps of mobile phone in Windows 11. This is gaming also. The game mode, graphics. Select your game, going into options, and select your Intel or AMD graphic card here. These are all icons of Windows now change. We are going to in my PC. Look into this. All 12 icons and the upper bar is changed now. You can easily download this window. The size of this window is approximately 5 GB, 4.5 GB to 5 GB complete. Thank you.